Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues on your headphones JBL Tune Beam. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on and click on your headphones to connect it. Now, if it doesn't help you, close the case and open it again. If it also doesn't help you, we should remove and add our headphones. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Then forget this device, forget device. Now close the case, open it again, and you should click pair new device if you have Android. It should automatically enter to pairing mode, so we should see it on the list. Yeah, we can see it. So click on it to pair, and that's it. If it also doesn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, just remove the headphone from the charging case, then press 2 times on your headphones, and after that press and hold for at least 5 seconds. You can hear a power off, and it means that it make hard reset. So let's check it. 1, 2. Sorry, one time again. 1, 2, and now I'm press and hold. Now I hear power off, it should disconnect it, yeah. Now put your headphone to the charging case, close the case, then click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Now open the case and click on your headphones, and it connected. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.